Hey guys, Arsenic here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Kucoin. I have it on the computer. Let's get started. So we are logged in, and that was quite a pain. I had to update a lot of stuff on here. So what's cool about Kucoin is you can use your phone to log in on the computer by scanning a QR code. It looks just like this. So scan, and then you can hit authorize or deny if you want to go onto the computer. So we are logged in. It may be kind of intimidating when you're first clicking on Kucoin because of the fact that there's so much to offer. You have markets, you have buy crypto, you have trade, there's derivatives, finance, and more. I recommend that you guys stick to understanding the markets. So go to markets, look at the stuff here, play around here, learn this a little bit, and then when you go to buy crypto, you can either do a bank transfer, peer-to-peer, fast buy with UST. You can do third party. So you have three options there. In the trading, if you're just trying to invest by buying and then sending to your wallet, buying and then holding, you're going to do that in spot trading. Trade cryptos with all tools. Margin trading is how you trade, same as spot trading, but you can just use leveraging, which means you use someone else's money to potentially get a higher return because you're using more, you're leveraging your potential gain or loss. Be careful with that. API is exclusive privileges for API users. I don't know what that is. Also, you can get a trading bot, earn profits without monitoring the market. That's pretty cool. Be something cool to look into. Derivatives is simple to start. You can learn about leverage. You can do leveraging, futures brawl, futures pro, support up to 100x leverage, futures light. So there's a lot of stuff there. If you're just starting out, I recommend just staying in the leveraging. I mean, not the leveraging, the spot trading. And if you want to make some money passively, you can look into doing crypto lending. It's like staking, but it's nice because there's no risk, because they have to pay you back, because you're lending your money to someone else. You get a percentage that you can set, and then if something goes wrong, that account will get margin called, and you'll get paid what they took from you. They won't allow the account just to drop and then say, oh, sorry, don't have any money. Like, there is no risk in that. With staking, there's a risk because the coin that you're staking, the value of it can drop, and that can be a bummer because you may get free coin, but you're also losing value. Over here is your account. Go to account security. My goodness, it's like a whole page. You can set a login, Google verification, phone, email, trading password, restrict login IP, email safety phrase, login safety phrase, withdrawal safety phrase, or delete your account. So I think it's pretty amazing that they have I've set all of this on mine, but I think it's amazing they give you that many options. On Coinbase Pro and even Coinbase, they don't give you that. So that's why I personally believe KuCoin is like my top favorite. First one, then Coinbase, then Crypto.com, and the rest of them. Because if the exchange itself values security that much, if they create all of this for you, then that shows they really care about their customers. So let's go ahead and check out spot trading. This is what you'll want to learn fast. So most of the time I'm looking at ooh, we took a dip, didn't we? Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to set it to the 1-day chart at the bottom, and then up here you're going to go to the 4-hour, and it's going to show us what Bitcoin's been doing. So it zooms out way down. So when Bitcoin was 29,000, climbed up. So its support levels right around $47,000. Bitcoin, not bad, shot all the way up to 67. That's exactly 20,000 higher. Wow. You can scroll in and look at the small trades. You can go to the 1 minute and look at these fast trades. This is the 1 minute chart. Very quick. And all these orders are buying and selling. If you want to add indicators, you can change the candles. You could do lines. You can do all different types. I like this, my favorite one, easy to see. And then up here, okay, this is where you have indicators. The easiest one to learn is Bollinger Bands, and this will tell you if it's too high or too low. So if Bitcoin, it's actually had a pretty good buy, but if it was down here, it'd be definitely buy zone right here. This is okay. Up here, you want to be selling. This is your sell zone. Way up here, this is your buy zone. Anything below 47,750, that's your buy zone. Their own section, you can keep up, see what they're doing. They got announcements, logs, token listing. You can, so that's that. Next thing I want to show you guys is the lending. First one, the most common, the ones you're going to lend is probably going to be USDT or USDC. And as you could, if depending on how much you have in your account, you could do 100%. Hey, I want to lend it for 7 days. Okay, what do you want to lend it at? I want to set my rate to 5%. And you can look on here and see what people are setting their rate to. Their daily interest rate is 0.011%. Annualized rate is 4%. Some of the ones that are like way down here are most likely not getting really used because they set their percentage way high. Look at that, 2%. So you would set yours to like their daily, maybe like the fifth one, like okay, I'll do about 5.4% annualized return for 7 days. It's not bad. So it's a way of kind of getting some money back while you're just leaving cash or fiat in your account. So much to dive into that we're gonna have to break it down. So if you guys like this video, please leave a comment, like, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.